بدري عني لاجئ والخيمة بتقتلني لاجئ من بدري عني لاجئ والخيمة بتقتلني مرة غريقة مرة حريقة وإذا بشكي الكل بيظلمني.
Syria 2022. Welcome to Idlib, a look through the eyes of the forgotten people. Syria is the home to millions of refugees who didn't choose this life. They were forced to flee their homes and move to camps housed in unlivable tents, just simply trying to survive. Is there hunger? Yes. Is there poverty? Yes. Is there homelessness? Yes. Are there widows and orphans? Of course. Is there pain? More than ever. Jigsaw Charity UK have taken on projects in Syria to help these refugees, the people who believe they are the forgotten ones. With your donations, our determination and commitment, we will make it a better world, piece by piece. I'm late. I better get the lads. We're late.
Assalamualaikum. Come on, guys, man, let's go.
Sorry, brother. We're late, man.
Sharif, let's go. Let's get out of here. Boys, is here, let's go. Abu Ibrahim. This is Brother Ibrahim. He's here with us. He's going to take us to Syria, inshallah. Okay guys, look, there's the Rihanli Belediyesi, which is the local council here in Hatay. We are literally about to enter Syria, alhamdulillah. We are just coming up to the border. If you look to the side of me here, these are where all the lorries are. So normally you get like your aid, any sort of produce materials that are going from Turkey to Syria, alhamdulillah. Guys, passports please. So we're taking our passports, we're going to hand them into the border here, and inshallah we're going to get our permits to enter Syria. Guys, we are basically in between. We've just left Turkey and we're just about to enter Syria, and this actually is no man's land. So this is not Turkey, this is not Syria. So now we're here at the official border. We're at Bab al-Hawa. Right, so Sharif, tell us about Bab al-Hawa and this border.
Since the beginning of the war, Bab al-Hawa is a lifeblood for the millions of civilians who are living inside Syria. And the amount of aid that comes from around the world here is big and huge.
So these guys are just checking our permits, alhamdulillah, to make sure that we actually do have permits to enter. And now, guys, welcome to Syria, alhamdulillah.
سوريا كانت سوريا والكل بيحكي عنها شو هالظلم بيعمل فيها بيهدم وبيقتلنا يا ربي عالم حالي الطف فيه وفي الأهالي شوف العالم شو سوالي مالي غيرك ينصفني.
Behind me is Guys, this is where President Erdogan, the President of Turkey, has built his houses. So these houses are from them, guys, and alhamdulillah, this is where we are building our homes also. So Jigsaw Village is also here with them in a safe zone. Okay, so guys, So everything here is coordinated by Afad.
Alhamdulillah, after having some meetings with the government, Afad mentioning the projects by Jigsaw Charity here in Syria, now the government knows perfectly who are Jigsaw Charity and what they are doing. And alhamdulillah, no need to explain and mention. Jigsaw Charity now is famous in Afad and the government.
Alhamdulillah, that's good.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Mohammed Sharif. Alhamdulillah, we are in the end of our trip to Idlib region in Kamuna. You see behind me 200 brick houses in collaboration between Dennis Finley and Jigsaw. Another 200 are under the construction. 80% of the project is almost done.
Assalamu alaikum guys, it's wicked, we're brilliant, it's amazing. We are here, we are Jigsaw Village, we're doing our first distribution. You can see behind me, we are here and we are actually providing aid distribution for the families here during the month of Ramadan, alhamdulillah. Many of you turned up to our charity fundraiser and you open-heartedly donated towards Jigsaw Village, which was the houses and the school, madrasa that we guys are building. Thank you to all of your donations. Now, I am currently standing on the foundation of the school. Alhamdulillah, this school, madrasa, will facilitate for the children from their homes. This surrounding area has 1,200 homes, and inshallah, the construction of this has already started. The footings have already started, alhamdulillah. And guys, this was not possible without your donations. These children, these families can have any children, from 2 to 6 children. So inshallah, we'll apply for admission here in this school, in this madrasa, and inshallah, we will be able to give them a better life. Not only that, we are also providing, inshallah, 2 prayer rooms here for the elderly people. If you look behind me, there's a masjid, alhamdulillah, for the houses, local houses here, for the homes. But for the elderly who are going to find it difficult, there's going to be 2 prayer rooms here. And this is all down to you guys.